What's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you're moving your email from cPanel to Google Workspace, here's how to migrate your existing mailbox. Firstly, open your email migration tool and sign in using your cPanel email account. Credentials. Select the email folder you want to migrate, such as your inbox, sent, drafts, and other folders. Choose Google Workspace as the destination and sign in with your Google Workspace account and authorize the migration. Just verify that you've selected the right source, fund, destination accounts, then click Start, Backup, or Migrate depending on the tool you're using. The migration will begin transferring your emails from cPanel to your Google Workspace mailbox. Once the process finishes, sign in to Gmail using your Google Workspace account and confirm all of your emails and folders have been transferred successfully. And that's it. Your emails have now been migrated to the cPanel to Google Workspace, allowing you to continue using Gmail without losing your existing messages. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.